Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I'm gonna make some papaya shake. So for this we need some chopped papayas. Papayas are highly rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, which prevents the oxidation of cholesterol in the blood and thus reduces the chance of cancer. Next I'm gonna add some sugar to it, because everybody likes to drink some cool and sweet shakes and juices. You can even skip the sugar if you don't want the sweetness. Then next I'm gonna add some chilled milk. This is basically low fat milk. Then I'm gonna close the lid, blend it very nicely so that a smooth consistent shake is made. And finally let's just serve it. So for serving I've just added loads of ice cubes in the glass, and then I'm pouring the shake into the glass, which would slowly give it a very chilled kind of effect. And now you are good to go for this amazingly tasty, delicious and healthy papaya milkshake. Do give it a try. I'm sure you and your family gonna love it a lot. So that is it for today's recipe. We'll meet very soon in the next video with a new and trending recipe. Till then, keep liking and keep watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe the channel as well. And finally, Allah Hafiz.